Hi, good morning. It's Paul. March 21st, 2019. Another month almost gone. Let's see what's happening in the Las Vegas market here. Let's see. New day, new listings. Okay, looks like the lowest price thing that came on today was a one bedroom, one bath condo over on Swanson. $69,000. Pretty reasonable. Interesting. A lot of stuff in that little place. Alright. In Swanson, it is over by the airport, I believe. UNLV. Yep, there it is right there. There's the airport. Paradise. Okay. Then, down here, we have the highest price when it came on the market today, 1.38. 5,100 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, pool, no spa, built no 5. Let's see what we got here. Nice drone shot on the golf course. Nice looking house. Wine cellar. It's okay, pretty plain inside, but not a lot on the walls. That's what's depersonalized it. That's good. Alright, and that is Alcova Ridge, which is, let's see here, okay, over in the Summerlin area, just on the other side of the 215. Okay. Then yesterday, we had this little condo here, 80,000, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, on the market. Nice common area. I should close that toilet seat. That is so rude. Clean besides that though. Look at that. Pretty nice little unit. And where are we here? Over on the edge of Henderson there. Okay. That's good. And then yesterday, what did we have as far as the highest priced? Properties coming on the market. 6.2 million. 9,400 square feet. 6 bedrooms, 9 baths, 7-car garage, pool and spa, built in 06. A monstrosity. Wow. A lot of rock. Nice office. That fireplace is nice. Kitchen's nice. What's this? Heater room with a wet bar. That's pretty nice. I always wondered with people like that if they ever had a lot of people over to watch movies. Nice deck up here on top. Beautiful backyard. You'd have to have a lot of people around in order to enjoy that. That's for sure. All those lagoons. Here's a spa. Little bar set up there. Looks like you have to have a resort amount of people. That's pretty nice. Outdoor living area. Fire pit in the middle. City view in the back there. Wow. $6.2 million. Okay, right over there in Southern Highlands. Okay. Looks good. Let's see, we've got 657 under contract right now. And what did we just have sell here just recently? Okay, today's the 21st. So we had 2 of them close. Actually, about 4 of them reported this morning. These 2 weren't even on the market a day. They sold instantly. Nice little condo. Super clean. Got the toilet seat up. Over on Craig. Sold very quickly, that's good. That one sold very quickly also. And then we had this $520,000 house. 2,400 square feet, pool and spa. Oh, nice backyard. Nice house. Very nice, I like that. Okay, 520, huh? Wigwam in Green Valley, okay. Interesting. Built in 96, okay. Then yesterday we had a little 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 980 square foot condo. Okay. Covered parking. That's interesting why anybody would do that. Guess you got a little safe place to put your table on your front porch or something, or it's a deck. I'm not quite sure what that is. There's your deck. That'd be like a little porch on the front door, a little sitting area there. Super clean besides that, looks nice. Oh, even open up the refrigerator. It's like it came furnished. It was pretty nice. Harmon and Spencer, okay. Out there. Oh, they're out there. 20th. We closed yesterday. Wow. Okay, here we are. 85. It's like 81 closed yesterday. 900,000. 3261 square feet. Where the heck is this? It's not out of the area. It's like it's far away from everything though. Sitting on top of a mountain somewhere. Huh, that's interesting. Nice drone shots. Interesting. Somebody wanted some seclusion. Nice house too. All these curves though. Electric. I wonder if they don't have any gas there. Besides propane. see where this is in a minute as I get through these pictures. Okay. Around about $900,000. Okay. Calico Basin. Way out there. Never been out there. Guess I'm gonna have to go out there. Interesting. Okay. 205. Roundabout. Okay, so that was built in 89, 3,200 square feet. Okay. Okay. So that looks like about it for today. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Today is what, Thursday? Oh my gosh. Alright, tomorrow's Friday. Have a great day.